Hello, my dear students and friends. Welcome to Eloquent English classes, and this is Jyoti. I hope you are enjoying my classes, and if so, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Dear students, today we shall be discussing the adverb. So let's get started. A word that modifies the meaning of a verb or an adjective is called an adverb. Now, first of all, we must know what is a verb. Verb, whatever we do, like we sing, play, act, cook, eat, whatever we do, that is a verb. And what is an adjective? Adjectives are the words which show some quality or quantity of a person or a thing. So what is an adverb now? A word that modifies the meaning of a verb or an adjective. It modifies the meaning of a verb or an adjective is called an adverb. And it answers to the questions like who, where, and how. Let's understand this with the help of these examples. Raghav runs fast. How does Raghav run? He runs fast. This is a very beautiful temple. How beautiful? Very beautiful. He walked briskly. How? Briskly. Mahima sings delightfully. How does she sing? Delightfully. He plays tactfully. How does he play? Tactfully. So these are the words like fast, very briskly, delightfully, tactfully are called adverbs. The kinds of adverbs. There are 7 kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of degree or quantity, adverbs of affirmation and negation, adverbs of reason. These are the 7 kinds of adverbs. Let's understand them one by one. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time show when. Now note down the word here, time. Let's understand this with the help of these examples. He visits here daily. When? Daily. The minister arrived late. When? He arrived late. She heard me yesterday. When? Yesterday. They visited India. When? Last year. The project was selected in the year 2020. When? 2020. He served the Indian Army for 15 years. When? 15 years. Priya visits her parents every week. When does Priya visit her parents? Every week. The magazine is published fortnightly. When? When is the magazine published? Fortnightly. Fortnightly means after 15 days. So all these words like daily, late, yesterday, last year, year 2020, 15 years, every week, fortnightly answer to the question when. So these are all called the adverbs of time. Next one is adverbs of frequency, which shows how often. Frequency means how often. He often comes late. How often? He often comes late. Sometimes he goes for a walk. How often does he go for a walk? Sometimes. Not daily. Sometimes. He rarely gets angry. How often does he get angry? Rarely. बहुत कम, ना के बराबर. Mr. Singh often quarrels with his neighbors. How often? Often. Mostly. लड़ते रहते हैं. My friend seldom tell lies. My friend seldom. Seldom means never. The school bell rings early. How often? Early. एक घंटे के बाद स्कूल बेल बजती है. Do you usually dine late? Usually, आमतौर पर क्या आप Do you usually dine late? Usually. We hardly meet them. नहीं मिलते. So these words often, sometime, rarely, again, seldom, hourly, usually, hardly. These answers to the question how often. So that's why they are called the adverbs of frequency. The next is adverbs of place. Note down the word place. Adverbs of place indicate object's position in relation to another object. How do we identify them? We can ask a question, where? And whatever the answer we get, that is an adverb of place. For example here, stand here. Where? Here. Go in. Where to go? In. Again, an adverb of place. Look forward. Look where? Forward. It's again an adverb of place. Keep your notebooks there. Where? There. Who is standing outside? Where? Outside. Are you going downwards? Where? Downwards. Why are you going everywhere? Where? Everywhere. Children should not play indoors. Where? Indoors. So these are answering to the question, where? Which place? Where? So these are called adverbs of place. These words, here, in, forward, there, outside, downwards, everywhere, indoors, these are all the adverbs of place. The next one is adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner show how or what manner. How or what manner, किस तरीके से. He went slowly. In what manner did he go there? He went slowly. The patient shouted loudly. How? How did the patient shout? Loudly. They hit quickly. How? Quickly. She spoke frankly about the problem she faced. How did she speak? She spoke frankly about the problem she faced. Shika speaks fluently. How does Shika speak? Frequently. Pranav entered the house stealthily. How? Stealthily. The class listened very carefully. Carefully. Mother embraced lovingly. In what manner? Lovingly. So these words answer the question how or what manner, like slowly, loudly, quickly, frankly, fluently, stealthily, carefully, lovingly. That's why they are called adverbs of manner. The next one is adverbs of degree or quantity. Degree or quantity. These adverbs answer to the question how much or to what extent. How much and to what extent. It is quite cold in Shimla in December. How much? Quite cold. So quite is an adverb of degree or quantity. It's extremely hot in Africa for the most of the year. To what extent? It's extremely hot in Africa. Extremely hot. I am so happy to see you. How happy? So happy. The teacher has almost finished the lesson. How much? Almost. The house isn't big enough. How much? Isn't big enough. The team arrived early enough. How much time did the team take to arrive? The team arrived early enough. Then they were partly right. To what extent they were right? They were partly right. So So these words, quite, extremely, so, almost, big enough, extremely, early enough, and partly are the adverbs of degree or quantity. Adverbs of affirmation and negation. Affirmation means yes, हाँ, and negation means no, नहीं. Let's understand this with the help of these examples. It will definitely rain today. Definitely rain today. Definitely some positivity is there. So this is an adverb of affirmation. She will surely come to meet her parents. Now surely. Now surely again is positivity is there, and this is also an adverb of affirmation. The doctors tried to save him by all means. By all means. Again positivity is there. So this is also an adverb of affirmation. Obviously we are going to win the case. Obviously is a word which shows some positivity, some affirmation. So that's why this is an adverb of affirmation. Obviously we are going to win the case. They are certainly playing a trick. Certainly again a positivity is there, affirmation is there. So this is also an adverb of affirmation. Alka never liked him. Alka never liked him. Never is an adverb of negation. And they are not going to win. Not again an adverb of affirmation, negation. I do not know him. This is also an adverb of negation. Adverbs of reason or purpose. Reason, not on the word reason, and purpose. Adverbs of reason are the words used to tell the reason. They are used to tell the reason behind the happening of a particular occurrence. See the words, we can use the words here like therefore, hence, because. Let's understand this with the help of these examples. Because I am not feeling well, I will not go to office today. Because I am not feeling well. Adverbs of reason. Reason is because I am not feeling well. So because is an adverb of reason. He was late, hence was not allowed to attend the class. What is the reason? That he was late. Hence is a word, or you can say this is an adverb of reason. The poor boy was hungry, so he stole bread. So, again, so is a adverb of reason. Since it is raining heavily, I will not go out. Since it is raining heavily. What is the reason? It's raining heavily. Since, again, it is an adverb of reason. I cite simple examples so that you understand. So that. What is the purpose of citing simple examples? So that you understand. Take the raincoat lest it starts raining. What is the reason why should we take a raincoat? Lest it starts raining. Again, this is an adverb of reason or purpose. In order to test his patience, he assigned a lot of tasks to him. In order to test his patience. What was the purpose behind? To test his patience. So in order to, again, shows an adverb of reason. It is late, thus we must leave. What is the reason that we must leave? It is late, so thus is also an adverb of reason. So because, hence, so, since, so that, lest, in order to, thus. These are the adverbs of reason or purpose. That's all for today, and thank you very much. And I hope you have understood.